So we're at Adwick train station, and there's a line next to the gate. Whoa! God, that was fast.
Where are we going?
To Doncaster. Next to the gate. This train. No, we are going to take a train to Doncaster, and this is our train. We're about to get on it in a minute. Oh, that train looks so cool.
Any day now.
Any day now. Oh, smooth little stop. So we are about to set off. And we have got the train to ourselves, and that's the engine. Right now, we're moving.
This Northern Train 2.
What's the snowplow thing?
A couple of things in that yard there, look.
Yeah. Do you remember there used to be like two old ones? Like used to be where those white trains that were memory.
There used to be quite a few things over there, to be fair. It's not there.
Yeah.
First class contains
This was the one that was waiting down that line while that other train cut across and left.
service to London King's Cross. Calling it Grantham.
They're going to have a race.
Yeah, we're going to have a race.
1955.
They do look cool, to be fair. With sunny background. Good driver being polite. Can you remember that guy who was telling us about these Drax trains, these Drax carriages? There was something special about them inside when they put the wood chip in, and when they release them underneath when they get to Drax power station, they open at the bottom. Do you remember when we've been to that nature reserve where you walk past and it programs it at like half a mile an hour and it all goes through it one by one? It takes about an hour. Intercity coming through and we're not on that platform. it looks good though. I think that's it looks branded, to be fair. This Drax one looks long. That's a good intensity, that, isn't it?
Oh, it's starting up. Look at that livery on that Intercity. Look how nice that looks. Look, there's a buffet car. And normal line at Intercity.
Plausibly finished.
Wonderful.
They look great, don't they?
20. During our roundup platform 1 is your 2018 LDR service to Peterborough and London King's Cross. Any passengers to Peterborough and London King's Cross who were due to travel on the 1955 were advised to board this service. Any passengers for Newark Birthgate are advised to board the 2048 LDR service to London King's Cross. Once again, train our roundup platform 1 is your 2018 LDR service to Peterborough and London King's Cross.
It's a double
Like
header.
a second train. I wonder if it splits anywhere, or I wonder if it's like two small service trains that's made one big one to go back.
Yeah.
You follow it round. And then keep recording. Then go that way, because there's
Look, there's
another one coming in over there. Look, it's a send zoom. Another zoom there. What that one is? That one's been parked up for about 5-10 minutes. This carriage is empty, Harry. Maybe we should get on and go to London. I love watching them from back, how quiet they are.
Yeah.
Listen, mate, they just roll off so gracefully, don't they? That's platform 1 at Doncaster, this. Well, H dropped his little cup down there. Yeah, it's gone across all tracks and it's cutting in front of that train that's waiting. I don't know, it's gone down the side of it.
For the 2022 LDR Zuma service to Harrogate via Leeds. Calling it Wakefield Westgate, Leeds, Horsforth and Harrogate. This train has 9 coaches. Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Horsforth, you will need to travel in the back 4 coaches of the train. If you are travelling to Harrogate, you will need to travel in the front 7 coaches of the train. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train.
Train arrived platform 4 is a 2022 LNER service to Harrogate. Going away to Westgate, Leeds, Costa and Harrogate.
Is he going to cut across the tracks? He is cutting across the tracks. We've got a good angle from here. I think this is the whole one. been weird tonight because all the trains have come in. So many of them have cut across these 4 lines. You know, normally they come from the left and then come straight down, but they've all come from the other side and vice versa.
The 1955 LNER Azuma service to London King's Cross is delayed. This is due to the...
This is going to come all the way down, mate.
We're sorry that your journey will take long.
Stop. She waved back.
2038.
Did she buggery? We should move out of the way, mate. Thank you very much, I appreciate that. Looks like you're doing overtime, doesn't it?
Going to Leeds, and the last one back to Leeds, which is always very colourful at 11 o'clock at night.
Age flirting with the driver. Are they, Harry? Are they actually the horns at the bottom? I'm guessing those mesh things that stop flies going. Message them, aren't they?
London King's Cross. Please note this train will call additionally at Stevenage today. Once again, any passengers currently on the station are advised to board the 2048 LNER service if travelling to Retford, Newark, Aldgate, Brampton, Peterborough, Stevenage and London King's Cross. The train on platform 3B will not be calling at Selby, Brookline.
LNER first class.
Passengers for Selby.
That train's been there ages. It's been there for so long. Oh, it says Smurfs on it.
Not true.
How random. Smurfs on the back as well. They're much better than the ones in cars, aren't they? Thank you.
2038
Stay back. This is the train that was due 55 minutes ago.
Platform 4 for the 2020 Northern service to Sheffield. Liverpool and platform 8 for the 2038 Transpennine Express service to Naples via
train were 100% empty. It's weird, isn't it? H, I think this one's our train coming in. Zoomer going by. Zoomer waiting to come in. Yeah, that's the Gull train over there. It looks a lot different. Step behind me, Harry. They soon speed up, mate.
It's great, and like and subscribe. And this is one last train until we go home. Like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you for now.